See me being corrupt, guys. Oh, oh. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. It's been a while. It's not a while, but it's been a while, by the way. So now I'm back with short videos. I've been trying to take, like the shortest videos ever, but what I was chasing is the big money. The big money, big money. So right now we are not going far. I don't know what time is it. Let's see. It's 9 a.m., it's Thursday, by the way. The tank, we are okay. So we're in a hotel, guys. We're in hotel. I know some of you don't see the trailer, but the trailer, I'll attach the trailer right now and fetch the cargo before before.
Time to hit the road.
Yes, it is time. Before before they hit up with the music of late delivery. And also almost forgot that I'm still with Miguel this side, so Miguel will be with me for every trip, by the way, or should I say job. So I think my trailer is this side. No, it's this side. Here's my trailer, by the way. And for sure, the ones who are in this hotel, who parked their car right there, they are pissed because of I blocked the way. So, yes, it will be challenging for me to reverse. So, let's see. I don't know why is the yellow car was slowing down. I don't know. Alright, I think this is perfect. Give me a touch. Then these two cars are gonna make this looking difficult, by the way. But it's not a big deal. It is not a big deal. You got your master. All you have to do is to do this. Alright then. Keep in mind, even the trailer, the wheel of the trailer, they do turn. So what I'm gonna do is this. I need to get it right here. I need to be very close. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Turn left.
I need to go back. Let's say, okay, I'm still good.
Finding new route.
You have to find the new route, buddy. And we
When
out.
possible, make a U-turn.
When possible. I think, okay, it is possible. It is possible to hit a U-turn. Oh, they do tell.
I'll find it.
When it's possible, I should hit a U-turn. Wow. I don't wanna sleep. Okay, we out.
Get ready to turn left.
Alright, buddy.
Turn left.
Sure by now they'll be like, okay, this guy has departed. So has already moved the trailer barrier. We are on the road. We are on the road. Okay. Jailbreak, I think it's gonna be slow. What is the speed limit? Is it 7?
Keep right.
Okay.
Then turn right.
It's 7. Oh, this traffic light, they're gonna make me late.
Turn right.
Because we're not going far, by the way. Well, let's see. Is it gonna show me? Not at all. See? The truck, 0%. The trailer is 0%, so we are fine. We are about to arrive where our cargo is. I think I did. I think I'm fetching Excavator.
Get ready to turn left. Turn left.
I think I'm fetching the Excavator.
We are finished.
We are not finished. We are fetching the trailer. The cargo, not the trailer, by the way. The cargo market. Alright. All offer expires in 9 hours, so I will be there in no time. Same amount. Because I wanted to go to Berlin. Now it's offering me at. Okay. I'm going to this one. It's gonna be the shortest one. Same amount, so I can go that mile. Where is it? Okay. Oh my god. Alright. This one will need me to do this. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do is to try to hit a U-turn right here, a U-V. Oh, today's weather is nice, eh? What I'm gonna do is this, because I'm gonna use the advantage of the trailer. Sometimes you have to think out of the box. Oh, now I know whenever I need to hit a U-turn, what should I do? Alright then. The trailer is low. Okay. Okay. Should I press OK? Enter. Right. Here's the cargo. Today it's a beautiful weather. It's a beautiful weather, by the way. Here it is. the excavator. So let's,
Drive safe.
as always, not always, but let me not lie to myself. But this time I hope and I promise that I will drive safe. Already it's 9 minutes. Dang. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best.
Turn right.
I am trying my best to make the shorter videos because I can see the shorter ones you guys engage to them a lot. So yeah, man. So let me know in the comments how's your day going, guys, whenever you're watching this video. And I forgot to say, buckle up, sit tight, grab your popcorns. This is it's no longer a long journey, by the way. This is a short journey. So we have to, you know, have fun. Either way, it's not like. And one thing I wanna try is to play. What is it called? But those are, I hope there are non-copyright songs. So I wanna try it and see if I do upload it, will I get the restriction, you know, of like the copyright song or what? Because I think people use the advantage of playing the song whenever they are live. You get me? Because they are not strict on that one. So when you're offline, recording offline, then wanna post it, man, they restrict the sound. And what sucks is them removing the audio. It also mute the whole video, like audio, like it mute everything. But I mean the sound, you know, like of the track, the sound of the air, of the map, by the way. So I'm still looking for
Then turn right.
those non-copyright music, and most of them they
right.
do sell the music. Not selling each and every music, but you have to subscribe to the website. So in order to get the non-copyright package, you need to subscribe to their website. So I'm like, it's not bad, but the thing is, at the moment I don't have, and I always find the free ones, and the free ones at some point they tend to, cause I think it was my first video that I've uploaded. It was the first or the second video. I was playing the non-copyright music, and those non-copyright music, they ended up being restricted to, like, from other videos that I was uploading. So I was like, what's happening? They were like, no, they found a copyright music, so they have to remove the audio and stuff. And removing the audio, they mute the whole video, so I had to take the video down. So that's how the YouTube is strict for the offline uploads. But one day I'll subscribe. Is that a cop? I see a helicopter. What's happening on top of the thing? I hear a helicopter. Oh, it's not a cop. It's not a cop. Hurry up. Oh. You are late. But it's okay. Oh, strong language. Back to my lane. And I don't know why these small cars driving on this lane more often. Because they really use the third lane, which is the fastest lane here.
Keep right. And then exit right.
They really, look at this. Why are you slowing down? Just save the lane.
Exit right.
exiting again. But I have to install those horns. I think I have to install them. But after this one though, I wanna see something. I wanna see something. Look over there, on top of the truck. Oh, they're only on top of the truck, so I have to install the horns again so that it can sound much better. So maybe on the upcoming video, I'll start by modifying the truck first, then you know, it's 100. Alright. Hopefully it won't be that loud. What was that? Did I turn the offense, the traffic offense off? I think I did. Sounds so loud. It sounded so nice, by the way. That is a horn. So I think I'll be doing the short videos, short deliveries from now on.
Keep right, and then exit right.
Because I saw last time I did try to do the long ones, I ended up doing. Oh hell no! See me being corrupt, guys. Oh.
Turn right.
Will I pass? I will. Sometimes they don't allow us. Damn, bro. The car was on fire. Oh wow. It's a wow. It's a wow. But we are not there. Our aim is to get there on time. We won't see cause we are free. Hopefully I don't flip the truck by the way.
Keep right, then exit right.
Let me stop.
Right.
Let me stop.
Turn right.
Now, what is our destination? It's Erfurt Ocean Builders. Ooh, okay. We're going to Erfurt, and it will be my first time discovering Erfurt. I've been passing Erfurt for the past episode. I didn't see you, buddy. I bet. What time is it? It's already maybe. I'm still on 80. Is it a roundabout or?
Keep left, then turn left. Turn left.
I was once here. That's weird. Maybe it's
right.
been a while.
Then turn right. Turn right.
turn.
Turn left.
And I'm gonna take the turn right here.
It was a nice ride.
It was a nice ride. It was. And I so wish to drop off the trailer and deliver the double trailers, cause I did specify I think I was doing like episode after episode of like delivering double trailers all the way, double trailers all the way. Okay, let's see. Are you for real though? Come on, man, I can do better than this. Lord, I can do better than this. Come on now. So we are here, Miguel. Yeah, I wish they did implement the car wash on this one, where the truck gets steady and all that. So, but it is what it is, guys. Thank you. Okay, no, no. Okay, it is excellent. Driven distance 203 km per hour. Okay, time taken 3 hours an hour. Alright, fuel consumption, it's fine. I haven't read the payslip there. Based reward, okay. Experience XP based on the distance I've driven. The proficiency bonus, which is level 23, get the 1000. High value cargo bonus, that is, but it's still fine. Asian delivery, okay. Trailer maneuver bonus, but the maneuver, well, okay, I'm still on level 23, but I'm looking forward to be on 24. So if I did took a long delivery, and for sure I should be now still on the road. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. This is it. I'm cutting off it right here. Maybe next time we'll go to Mannheim, but I wanna go in Poland. So Frankfurt, yeah, no. Maybe we'll go on Dresden next time when I open. But yeah. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Let me just pick it. Already is there, but for the next episode I'm not gonna combine this. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and see you guys on the next episode.